you can find out how a group of successful marketers who are ignoring the gloom and doom spread by the media are using Primo Vacations to make enormous amounts of money while having more free time than ever before. You are about to discover the most powerful, simple, and affordable cash-producing system ever created. A system you can succeed with, no matter what your employment status is or what level of education you have. It doesn't matter where you come from or where you're at right now. What's keeping you from the success you so desperately want? 1. Many people have no idea what to do to make their business successful. They don't have the knowledge base to ensure success. 2. People are busy and have a hard time making room for one more thing on their plate. 3. Most lack sales skills and simply do not like sales work. You know, making phone calls, following up with the prospects, closing the sale, and asking for the money. Make no mistake, in every business there is no money earned until a sale is made. Which one of these do you identify with the most? Primo Vacations has solved these 3 major roadblocks to your success, and that is why many experts are calling Primo Vacations the trailblazing opportunity in today's marketplace. One of our members used the Primo product line and the time freedom Primo offers to take his first vacation in 6 years. People that have tried before with little or no success in the past are telling us how fantastic it feels to finally succeed. They tell us it feels like the weight of the world has been lifted off their shoulders. Complete novices, people that could barely find the button to turn on their computers, are having amazing success with Primo Vacations. These people are no different or any smarter than you. They just plugged into Primo Vacations and found the success, the money, and the freedom they've always wanted. So here's what you'll want to do right now. Go through the entire website, get all the information, then fill out a callback request and talk with one of the Primo Vacations assistants. Any questions you have will be answered so you can get started on your success path today. Enjoy the tour.